Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering off the iPhone and clearing a workspace. This prevents accidental inputs and static damage. Once done, remove the screws and display assembly carefully. Use the Pentalobe and Phillips #000 in sequence so you don't strip heads. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray by position because the lower screws are shorter. You'll disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts, and once the battery cable is free, the phone is safe to work on while you access the Touch ID components. With the display open to about 90 degrees, use a spudger to carefully lift connectors. Avoid bending the ribbon cables. You should disconnect the battery first, then the home button flex cable so you can inspect the Touch ID sensor. Clean the button and surrounding area with a dry microfiber cloth. Oils and debris often block capacitive contact. If you see corrosion or a misaligned bracket, gently realign the metal shield and connectors. Reseat the cable with firm, even pressure so contacts make a solid connection. After reseating the home button and connectors, reconnect the battery and lower display connectors. Then secure the bracket and replace screws in reverse order. Remember, the shorter screws go in the bottom. Boot the phone and go straight to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, and re-enroll your fingerprint. This confirms both hardware and software are cooperating. If Touch ID still fails, try a known good home button assembly or examine the flex cable for micro tears. One key troubleshooting tip. If home remains unresponsive, check for a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.